I like the dark handle of the scissors, so I think I'm going to at least put some of that in, get those dark handle shapes in. We're going to just come in here. I'm going to mix up a nice dark gray, and I'm going to start painting the handles with that. Going to have some blue in it and a little orange, but mostly I'm going to get this nice dark gray. I'm going to just stop shy of this little plunger here, just because that's an interesting shape. I'm going to have that shape interrupt the scissor handle, so it creates a negative space, or just a different way the shapes line up. Again, I'm not interested in accuracy of object as much as I am interested in creating interesting shapes within my composition. Let's just see how that works. Again, I'm just sort of finding my way. What was, again, cool about this class that I took is that since we had to do a total of 20 paintings for 10 weeks, 2 paintings per week. What would happen, it had to be, as I said, the same still life objects, just put into, just changing them using, line, shape, texture, all the elements of design, which Mike elucidates on. But each time you did a painting, it would springboard you to the next one, because as I'm doing this one, all of a sudden I'm getting ideas as to, wow, how would I do the next one? What might I do that would be interesting? And that's the fun of it, is that as you're doing it, you get all these ideas, and then when you get together for your class meeting and your critique, and everybody's showing their work, and everybody had a different still life, so but they had to stick with that very still life throughout the 10 weeks. It was really cool to see how other people did things, made decisions. So it was really exciting. Every time we had a critique meeting, every Monday morning, it was, wow, that's a great idea. What did you do to do that? So ideas got, cross-fertilized, and it was so much fun. So hopefully, doing this one might give you some ideas as you watch this video as to how to approach things. But, I just encourage you to jump off and try stuff and not be particularly concerned with how it turns out or the success of it. Sometimes you're real successful, and other times you paint a dog, and sometimes what you don't like in your own work, somebody else loves. So go figure. But it's just worth it to treat it as an exploration and have some fun with it, see where it goes, and it's okay to fail. It's okay to do a painting that you're not happy with. As the mantra in our class was, it's just a piece of paper, just paper and paint. Just do it. Not every painting anybody does is a masterpiece, but this just allows you to explore some ideas and thoughts and just discover what's in you that you didn't know was there. That's what I loved about it, and that's what I love just even about doing this. I don't know exactly where this is going to go or how, but I've sort of put it together, and you just make one step and then the next and see where it takes you. And everybody has their own process. I mean, Mike gave us some ideas as to how he suggests we navigate the process, but eventually it still just came down to doing it. You just have to do it, and then as you do it, it just starts to take shape.